Wednesdays are for wisdom at Archana Empowers. And today I did some deep research all for you. और ये सिर्फ आपके लिए ही नहीं, मेरी खुद की लर्निंग जर्नी का भी एक हिस्सा है जो मैं आप सब लोगों के साथ शेयर करती हूँ. This is my ongoing journey of learning, imparting and transforming all together. And I'm very grateful for this platform where we can share our journey to make an impact. Imagine a world where every interaction is guided by one simple yet profound principle. Treat others as you would like to be treated. This wisdom isn't just a moral lesson, it's a universal truth echoed all across Hinduism, major religions. One should never do to another what one regards as injurious to oneself. In Buddhism, hurt not others in ways that you yourself would find hurtful. In Christianity, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. In Islam, none of you truly believes until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. Judaism, what is hateful for you, do not do to your fellow men. In Sikhism, do not cause pain to others that you would not wish for yourself. In Jainism, a man should wonder about treating all creatures as he himself would be treated. Across centuries and cultures, this wisdom remains timeless. It transcends religious boundaries, guiding us towards compassion, respect, and ethical leadership. In workplaces, families, and communities, practicing this simple principle fosters trust, collaboration, and meaningful connections. Imagine the impact if we all paused before reacting and asked ourselves, would I want to be treated this way? This Wednesday, let's reflect on this universal truth and make kindness our default response. Because wisdom isn't just knowing, it's living by it. You all have an every day. Keep watching for more insights. Thank you.